Hello children. Look at this picture. Here, two birds are talking. Come on, let's listen to them. Hi rooster. Hello cuckoo. Did you get anything to eat? No, I didn't get any. My master has gone out. Didn't your neighbor give anything? No, they aren't friendly. They are selfish. I have to wait till the master comes. Oh, look at these people. They have changed a lot. Dear children, do you think the birds are happy with us? Correct. They are not happy. Why? Children, have you ever imagined that the birds talk about us like this? Hey, look here. The robin and the blue jay are talking something. What could it be? Can you guess? Let's listen. The bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? The bird talk. Glossary. Wings. Wires. Feathers.
Children, let's comprehend the bird talk. Where are the birds sitting? How could they fly? Did you notice what they have on their body? Name them. What things can birds do that human beings can't? Who do you think is superior, birds or human beings? Why?